Hi, Albert Grande here from PizzaTherapy.com. In this video, I'm going to review Peter Reinhart's book, Perfect Pan Pizza. I've used a lot of the recipes in this book, and they're just fantastic. I'll go through it a little bit more with you, but it's just a wonderful book. I can't say enough about it. Perfect Pan Pizza by Peter Reinhart.
Perfect Pan Pizza is a wonderful book which takes you through the process of creating pan pizza. Included in this volume are pan pies, which includes Roman and Detroit style, as well as grandma pies and focaccia. Peter Reinhart is a master of bread and has written numerous books about the subject. In Perfect Pan Pizza, he takes a new direction in the creation of my favorite food. I first heard of Detroit pizza several years ago and was pleasantly surprised when I tried it. It's not like any other style of pizza I've ever had. The secret to Detroit is the cheesy crust, which is partially melted and burnt around the edges. I love the taste. Unfortunately, in my area, there's no way to experience this pizza. Enter Reinhart and Perfect Pan Pizza, and I've been able to make great Detroit pizza in my own kitchen. I don't pretend to make Detroit pizza as well as the experts, but I will say, following the instructions in this book, I made some very memorable pizza. For me, great pizza always starts with the crust. Reinhart starts out with 3 different master dough formulas, which will get you started. You can choose the white flour dough, whole grain country style, or even naturally leavened or sourdough. He shares an easy method to get you started with sourdough. The biggest takeaway from me in this book is his method of kneading dough. There is really a minimal amount of effort required as he explains the stretch and fold method. For anyone who's made dough, they can attest the fact that the process of mixing dough can be a bit tiresome. With the stretch and fold method, your efforts are greatly reduced by allowing a bit of time between your stretch and folds. There are a lot of extras included here with recipes for pizza sauce, marinara sauce, pesto, herb oil, as well as a bunch of secret sauces and focaccia recipes, grandma recipes, and Roman. You don't need any special tools to get started. You can easily make these pizzas in a baking pan, but I found investing in Detroit-style Lloyd pans made the process much easier. The book will take you on pizza adventures you never dreamed of. You'll find some golden nuggets to get you started on the path to pan pizza. You may find, as I did, once you make one type of pan pizza, you want to continue your adventures to other pizzas. I recommend Perfect Pan Pizza for anyone wanting to expand their pizza possibilities. I'll include links to resources and the book below this video.
And these are the Lloyd pans I recommend for making pan pizza. They're just fantastic. They really hold up. They're a great way to make your pizza. You don't need them, but I recommend them. I think they're just great. So I'll put a link to the Lloyd pans below this video if you want to pick them up. But I recommend them heartily. Make sure you get a copy of Perfect Pan Pizza. You can learn how to make Detroit, focaccia, and all kinds of different recipes are in this book. I'll put a link below this video.
So make sure you grab a copy of Perfect Pan Pizza. Your pizza adventures will never be the same. While you're here, if you could show a little pizza love and subscribe. Pizza on Earth, goodwill to all.